We're here in Manatee County at Robinson Preserve to release approximately 2,000 juvenile redfish.
Watch them!
Whoa! We're here to recognise substantial completion of a large restoration project. My name's Mark Walton. I'm an environmental scientist for the district swim program. SWIM is the surface water improvement and management section. Our role in the district is to improve water quality and environmental function. What we've been undertaking here is to restore 150 acres of freshwater wetland and estuarine environments. This latest phase of the project is significant because it established a tidal connection.
This is a very special project, particularly for Manatee County, because these coastal preserves, they serve everyone around here. My name is Damon Moore. I'm with Manatee County Parks and Natural Resources. I have been working on the Robinson Preserve expansion project since its inception in 2012. We've been able to do something really special where we're restoring back the ecological function.
The district's cooperative funding initiative funded $3.2 million in collaboration with Manatee County.
Manatee County is incredibly grateful to our partners on these projects. Without the Water Management District's assistance with this project, it would have been very unlikely to pull this off the way we have been able to. The Water Management District staff has been very supportive from a technical aspect, from a funding aspect.
One of the district's strategic goals is to manage ecosystems to benefit water and water resources. We do that by identifying key parcels of land in terms of regional habitat connectivity. Where we are at Robinson Preserve is important that way because it flows to both Sarasota Bay Estuary to the south and Tampa Bay Estuary to the north, and both of those are swim priority water bodies. The restoration work we're doing here is important for maintaining and improving those regional corridors for habitats and species movements.
Well, you know, it's all about habitat, and if you don't have the habitat, the fish are not going to prosper and survive.
As a lover of nature, this is really exciting.
I love this park.
The Robinson Preserve as a whole is an absolute jewel for Northwest Manatee County and Manatee County as a whole. One of the most awesome things about this kind of project and celebrating this beginning is to know that there's going to be benefits for generations into the future and that this is going to be something that's going to impact our region for years to come.